Hi, in this video we will talk about that. 10 powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. Using castor oil before bed refers to the practice of applying castor oil to various parts of the body, such as the hair, scalp, skin, eyelashes, or nails, before going to sleep. This practice takes advantage of the nourishing and therapeutic properties of castor oil to promote hair growth, moisturize the skin, strengthen eyelashes and eyebrows, and provide other health and beauty benefits. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you can harness its natural goodness to enhance your overall well-being while you sleep. Number 1. Eyelash and eyebrow enhancement. Using castor oil for eyelash and eyebrow enhancement before bed can yield powerful results, promoting longer, thicker, and healthier lashes and brows. Natural growth stimulant, castor oil contains nourishing nutrients like vitamin E, fatty acids, and proteins that penetrate deep into the hair follicles, stimulating growth from within. Thicker and fuller lashes. Regular application of castor oil to your eyelashes can help thicken and volumize them, giving you a lush and full lash line without the need for extensions or falsies. Strengthens lashes and brows. Castor oil strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and brittleness. Number 2. Moisturized skin. Utilizing castor oil before bed can be a game changer for achieving deeply moisturized and nourished skin. Intense hydration. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply penetrate the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and preventing moisture loss overnight. Locks in moisture. Applying castor oil before bed creates a protective barrier on the skin's surface, sealing in moisture and preventing dryness and dehydration. While you sleep, softens and smoothens. The emollient properties of castor oil soften rough, dry skin, leaving it feeling smooth, supple, and touchably soft by morning. Number 3. Acne treatment. Natural antimicrobial properties. Castor oil contains antimicrobial compounds that can help kill acne-causing bacteria on the skin, reducing the likelihood of new breakouts while you sleep. Balances sebum production. Castor oil helps regulate the skin's natural oil production, reduces acne scars. Regular application of castor oil can help fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation over time, thanks to its ability to stimulate cell turnover and promote the growth of new, healthy skin cells. Number 4. Natural laxative. Constipation relief. Castor oil is a potent laxative that works by stimulating muscle contractions in the intestines, helping to move stool through the bowels and alleviate constipation. Quick acting. Castor oil is known for its fast-acting effects, often producing bowel movements within a few hours of ingestion. Natural and gentle. Unlike some over-the-counter laxatives that can be harsh or habit-forming, castor oil is a natural remedy derived from the castor bean plant. It's generally considered gentler on the digestive system. Number 5. Joint pain relief. Anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which exhibits potent anti-inflammatory effects when applied topically. Massaging castor oil onto sore joints before bed can help reduce inflammation, swelling, and associated pain. Improved circulation. Massaging castor oil onto the skin stimulates blood flow to the affected joints, promoting better circulation and delivering oxygen and nutrients to support joint health and healing. Number 6. Hair growth and thickness. Natural nourishment. Castor oil is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins, which deeply Nourish the hair follicles and encourage healthy growth. Moisturizes the scalp, its emollient properties help to moisturize the scalp, preventing dryness and flakiness, which can hinder hair growth. Strengthens hair roots. Regular application of castor oil strengthens the hair roots, reducing hair fall and breakage, and promoting thicker, stronger strands. Balances scalp pH. Castor oil helps to balance the pH levels of the scalp, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. Number 7. Wound healing. Accelerates healing. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce swelling and promote tissue repair. When applied to wounds before bed, castor oil works overnight to accelerate the healing process, allowing wounds to heal faster and more effectively. Antibacterial protection. One of the key benefits of castor oil is its ability to create a protective barrier over wounds, shielding them from harmful bacteria and preventing infection. By applying castor oil before bed, you can provide an extra layer of defense against bacteria, keeping wounds clean and promoting optimal healing. Number 8. Softens lips. Enhances lip texture. Consistent use of castor oil before bedtime can lead to long-term improvements in the texture of your lips. By softening and conditioning the skin, castor oil helps reduce roughness and flakiness, leaving your lips looking and feeling noticeably smoother over time. Promotes healing. If your lips are cracked or irritated, castor oil can help promote healing while you sleep. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe inflammation and irritation, while its antibacterial properties protect against infection, allowing your lips to heal faster and more effectively. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces joint pain. For those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions, applying castor oil before bed can provide much-needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and alleviate pain, allowing you to wake up feeling more comfortable and mobile. Supports digestive health. When applied topically to the abdomen before bedtime, castor oil can support digestive health and relieve discomfort associated with conditions like constipation and bloating. Massaging the oil in a clockwise motion can stimulate bowel movements and help regulate digestion, promoting a healthier gut microbiome. Number 10. Treat skin. Enhances collagen production. Castor oil contains antioxidants that stimulate collagen production in the skin, helping to firm and tighten sagging areas. By applying castor oil before bed, you can support your skin's natural collagen synthesis, leading to a firmer and more youthful complexion over time. Deep moisturization. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids that deeply penetrate the skin, providing intense hydration and nourishment. Applying castor oil before bed ensures that your skin remains moisturized throughout the night, leaving it soft, smooth, and supple come morning.